Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to send a voice message in a Telegram in 2021. So, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video. So go to the person to whom you want to send a voice message. So, I'm going to go to Simon Sam. I'm going to click on it. And over here, as you guys can see, there's a voice icon over here to send a voice message. You just need to hold on to the voice icon and speak continuously while holding the icon, and after you finish telling, you can remove your finger from the voice icon, and it will send a message to them. And right now, I can't show you guys, because I'm recording a video right now. As you guys can see, the screen recorder has temporarily disabled my mic. My screen recorder is using my mic, so cannot send a voice message. But basically, let me show you a small clip. Like, you just have to hold on to it and talk over here. As you guys can see, once you remove your finger, it stops. It's basically like that. So, it's that simple to send voice messages on Telegram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.